What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video with Tiege. My name's Dominic for those who don't know, and today's video is actually a fun one. Not only are we gonna be helping you guys stay clean during COVID-19, but we're also gonna be teaching you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Now with coronavirus basically taking over the world, now more than ever, it's so important to make sure that we're staying clean and we're staying healthy. One of the main ways you can do this is simply just by washing your hands consistently throughout the day for at least 20 seconds with soap and warm water. But in addition to that, when we do leave the house, whether we're going to a grocery store or somewhere essential, we want to make sure that we have hand sanitizer so we can disinfect our hands, we can keep them clean after we've touched things or maybe even interacted with people. And as you've probably noticed with COVID-19, we've seen a lot of essentials run out, whether that's toilet paper or hand sanitizer. So for this video, we want to make sure you have everything you need. And with that, we're going to teach you how to make your own hand sanitizer. And again, although hand sanitizer is great for when you're not at home, when you are at home, make sure you're washing your hands again, warm water, soap, at least 20 seconds. Make sure you're showering at least once or twice a day and doing the essentials you need to be doing to stay clean at home. In addition to all that, you should also still be going strong on your skincare routine. Now more than ever is so important to make sure we're wiping away all the dirt and grime and bacteria off of our faces. So use your Tiege Hanley products. Make sure your skincare routine is consistent because again, overall, we want to make sure we're the healthiest we can be. So let's get started on making this hand sanitizer. The first thing we want to cover is making sure you even have the right products to get started. The first two things you'll need are a measuring cup with a spout and a whisk. The next thing you'll need is isopropyl alcohol. That's at least 70%. Higher the better, but according to the CDC, you need at least 70%. And the last two things you're going to need are some aloe gel and a container to hold the hand sanitizer that we're going to be making. Now, if you want to take it up a notch and add an essential oil or a specific scent to your hand sanitizer, feel free to do so as well. Now to make this, it's actually super easy. First, add a 2/3 cup of the isopropyl alcohol to the measuring cup. Next, you're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of the aloe gel to that measuring cup. Next, you're gonna grab that whisk and you are gonna whisk that thing. Now you can whisk it to whatever consistency you like. I personally like a little bit more of a gel rather than liquid, so it all depends how long you wanna whisk it for. Now, if you wanna add a little bit more aloe gel just to help with the consistency, you can. However, don't add too much because you don't wanna mess with the ratio. The alcohol is actually the main ingredient that kills the bacteria, so we don't want that to be overshadowed by the aloe gel. Now once this has been mixed, you can add 10 to 20 drops of your essential oil or preferred scent and then whisk that in as well. The final step is to pour that into your container and then voila, you're done and you have your own homemade hand sanitizer. Again, you guys, hand sanitizer is fantastic. I personally keep some right by my door. I also have a bottle in my car, so when I do have to leave the house and go outside, I'm making sure my hands are protected and clean. But the number one thing you can do is to wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds multiple times a day. With that, we really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make your own hand sanitizer during COVID-19. If you like this, be sure to share it with a friend. If you want to see some other videos that we have as far as skincare and products, be sure to click over here. If you want to learn a little bit more about Tiege Hanley and the skincare products that they offer, you guys can click over here. As always, I'm Dominic. We hope you enjoyed this and I will see you guys later for the next video. Bye guys.